Hi, I'm Craig Phillips. Welcome to my tiling trade tips. In this video, I'm going to show you how to protect your tiles by applying a pre-grout treatment and then showing you how to grout them using two different methods. Now to begin with, I'm going to clean up all of the excess adhesive that may be still left on the cuts that I've fitted this morning. Once that's dried off, I'm going to apply a pre-grout treatment. Now this is really easy to do. It can be applied by using a paintbrush, a roller or a light pressured sprayer. I'm going to put a coat on all over the tiles, leave this for about 30 minutes to penetrate in, then apply a second coat, and an hour later I'm ready to start grouting. I've installed the slabs here using two different techniques. The one side over here was onto the concrete slab and I used standard tile adhesive for that one, and then the opposite end was on the hardcore using the Rock-Tite mortar. So I'm going to show you two different types of grouting. One is the standard external grout, which is going to be on this side that we laid on the concrete slab, and the other is the Rock-Tite brushing grout, which of course is going to be on the opposite side where we use the Rock-Tite mortar.
Pour the powder into a container of cold clean water and briskly mix by hand using a flat scraper until you get a lump-free sludge consistency just like this. It's easy to apply your wet grout using a rubber edge grouting float, pressing the grout firmly into the joints so there is no cavities left unfilled. Ultracolor Plus grout is high performing and quick setting. Joint widths can range from 2mm to 20mm wide. It's also available in all manners of colours. Suitable for interior and exterior use, it can be applied in both wet and dry conditions, as well as being mould resistant. Once you've covered a small area, then you can use the grouting trowel to try to remove the excess grout from the surface of the slab, then wiping the areas down with a clean, damp sponge.
The one half of the patio has now been grouted. I've applied it in, I've got a wet sponge and I've buffed it over the top of it. And we'll leave this to dry for another 30 minutes or so and then keep buffing it off until I get the top of them slabs completely clean. Now moving on to the other half with the Rock-Tite brushing grout. Simple to use, wet all the area first, wipe it down, scoop a little bit out, drop it straight into the gaps and then use your rigid brush to brush it in, going diagonally across all the joints. Then just like normal grouting, you can wipe it down with a damp cloth and sponge to make sure it's clean before it dries. So that's exactly how you pre-seal and grout large porcelain slabs and tiles. But if you're looking for more inspiration, follow us on all social media handles. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, and if you want to know more information about the products I've been using, just check out the website tilemountain.co.uk.